Hey everyone. In this video, I want to show you exactly how I use AI as a software engineer to ship features fast. Now, here's the thing. GPT-5 is out and it's pretty clear AI models are starting to plateau a little bit. They're not suddenly gonna get 10x smarter overnight. The big opportunity now isn't waiting for the next breakthrough, it's learning to use the tools we already have smarter so we can get better results and make our lives easier. If you've tried adding AI into your workflow and felt like it's just not there yet, then stick around because this video is for you. Tip number one is meta prompting and project setup. I like to use ChatGPT for meta prompting because its language capabilities are better than other LLMs, and I sometimes mix my mother tongue Turkish with English while prompting. I start my meta prompt with, "You are a highly skilled expert prompt engineer, and I want you to help me generate a prompt for GitHub Copilot Agent 4." Then I provide as much context as possible. LLMs need explicit detailed instructions. I usually download the parent task as a PDF and I share it with GPT, along with Figma UI or screenshots and Gemini meeting summaries for extra context. I typically iterate 3-4 times to refine the final prompt. I always end the prompt with an important note telling the agent to ask questions before making any changes, avoid assumptions, proceed only when 100% certain, and reuse existing functionality instead of reinventing the wheel. Once I submit the prompt to the coding agent, it may run for 10-20 minutes depending on the task size. I enjoy playing the darbuka while I wait. If you're starting a new project, create a PRD file in your project. The PRD should outline what each feature should do, why it's needed, and the definition of done. Tip number two is tool selection. Cloud is the best at coding right now. I run GitHub Copilot in agent mode with Cloud Sonnet 4. Don't forget to add the teamwork and GitHub MCP server tools to your coding agent of choice. You can create a Copilot instructions MD file in GitHub directory for each project to give the AI more context, include key architecture principles, folder structure, constants, development guidelines. Think of it as a README MD for your coding agent and don't forget to update it regularly as the project evolves. AI performs much better with a popular symbol tech stack. For example, it's far stronger in Python than in Cold Fusion. If you are not getting good results with your current stack, try building the future in a more AI friendly language and then transfer it to your project. Tell your AI to build your code, run all unit tests, integration tests, and lint checks, and fix all issues before marking the task complete. AI is great with the CLI. You can have it send curl commands to test your API or use your IDE's internal browser to quickly test UI changes. I like to use Cloud Desktop with the GitHub MCP to review my own PRs, or use other LLMs to cross check my code. Tip number 3. Use GitHub and staging more. I use Git religiously. Start each new feature or fix from a clean state. If an LLM's output fails repeatedly, I reset and reapply the correct solution cleanly rather than patching over broken code. Even with clear instructions, AI can still produce poor results. Push to your remote branch frequently so you don't lose work. When working with AI, it's not unusual for me to delete everything and start over. I also use tools like Cloud Code and GitHub Copilot to handle Git versioning for me. I review changes, run unit tests locally, deploy directly to staging, test there, and if all looks good, share with the team. Tip number 4. Testing and bug fixing. I prefer high level integration tests over low level unit tests to catch unintended regressions because AI can overfit unit tests to its own code. Tell AI to simulate real user flows rather than just running function level checks. For simple bugs, I paste the exact error message into the chat. For complex bugs, I have the LLM hypothesize possible causes before coding. I also instruct the LLM to add logs and code comments for better debugging context.